Look at two knives from Hundex. It's basically the same knife. It's just that these two are the mini and this is like the full size one. So these are 3 inches when they're closed, and this big one is 4 inches when it's closed. Well, like I think it's 4.5 inches. Okay. The one kit, this is the one kit. It comes with the 2 littler knives. So you have your kind of your gray color there and your blue color, which is very nice, very pretty blue. I'm a fan of like brighter colors. And then basically the larger or bigger brother of these, basically the same exact knife, is this guy right here. So it's basically this knife, but just bigger. So you kind of can see the difference there. There's definitely a difference. And if I open this guy up, it opens up the same exact way, same mechanism, same lock. You can see that knife. This is a bigger knife, full hand can get on there. And basically this is like a hybrid because this has blue on the handle here, just like this one does, this little one. But it also has this kind of this gray wood inlaid in there, which I really, really like. It's very unique. These both have the Lord of the Rings symbols on them, and they both come with these like these necklaces. Okay. The only difference is this is a knife kit of 2. This is a knife of 1, but this one comes with the additional sheath. This one right here. Okay. It also comes with this little wand, which is really neat. I think it's supposed to be like a wand, but this is a honing blade, so you can kind of sharpen this up and keep it good. And obviously it comes with its own necklace as well. I like this one. It's obviously bigger. I'll put them next to each other. You can see the difference in size. But yeah, really neat, really cool knives. Definitely a good gift for someone that's probably a Lord of the Rings fan. I think they would really enjoy it. I'll put a measuring tape there so you can see. So this one overall length is around 7 inches and 7 5/8. And this one's like around 5 3/8. So 7 5/8 and 3 5/8. The blade on this one is around 2 1/4, and this one's around 3 1/4. So really neat. They both have this logo on it. You put them together. They're just neat. Pretty knives. What do you think?